All right, we should be back. I don't know if we're back or not. Hopefully we're good. I don't know what's going on, why it cut us out. But we are back. Maybe it cut us out because you guys didn't click the like button. It finally said, all right, this idiot doesn't get any likes. We can't have him on stream anymore. That might have been what it is. Click the like button. No, Tim, I didn't go to the cry room because I got in Mullen. I got a 63-cent bill, and we're sitting at 62.70 right now. That's not bad at all, man. Watch, tomorrow I'm gonna sell my Mullen for 70 cents, and then you'll be in the cry room because you didn't get it. I don't know. I don't plan on it being a very long-term hold, so hopefully it does go up and we don't get ripped on it there. But nonetheless, we can watch Bitcoin or something right now that's rolling after hours. Let's see. My darn phone made it freeze. Yeah, it was your phone, dude. Not my stream. Definitely your phone. 420. That's what time it is. We are back. You have too much power. Sam does have all the power. I got second like. Football. 1024. I love it, dude. Thank you very much for clicking that like button. It's like AMC we held, even though nothing was really happening. Yes, this is true. Yes, I am too powerful. Cry room. Nope, not going to no cry room. 3. J-Bones. Thank you for being number 3. No is 221, not 420. Something. I don't know what 221 is. It's 221 for Sam, not 421. I already gave a like. You're gonna have to do something to earn 2 likes. Ooh, Pringleton, I like it. I will absolutely earn that like somehow. I don't know how I'll do it, but I will earn it somehow. All right, good deal. It does. Maybe I should get a little stand for the microphone here. Yeah, we could do that. Get a little stand for the microphone. People are like, oh my gosh, this dude actually has a microphone. This is a little bit cooler than I thought it was. A little bit cooler than I thought it was. Yeah, it probably sounds better too. When you're sitting right in front of the microphone like that, probably sounds a lot better. Nonetheless, guys, we are sitting here after hours. People will be jumping back into the live stream after they realize that I got kicked off. But what was Nerve? I think Nerve was where Bronson got in earlier today. We got a line on the graph. Was it Nerve? I don't even know if I put a line on the graph. But if it was Bronson, man, I want to know. Bronson, you doing well, or did you pull back a little bit? Because I don't know where the where your line was supposed to be there. I thought it was on Nerve. Man. Let's see. GRLF, newly pink current penny stock at 0.0005 with a 10-cent offering. Done your due diligence. 500% potential penny runner. Legendary vegan. Very nice. I don't think you're going to get GRLF on Weeble. Greenleaf Innovations. Yeah, you're not going to be able to buy this on Weeble. I don't believe. Nonetheless, daily chart. See, the thing is, dude, there's no volume whatsoever in this stock right here. So if you're going to be buying it, you're going to be pretty hard-pressed to be able to get rid of it. Massive volume days have nearly 100 million shares being traded, but normal days, 2 million shares at 0.0005. What does that look like in dollar amounts? What did I say? 2 million shares? Yeah, dude. I don't know. It's only $1,000 being traded on some of these days, like a normal day right here. Only about $1,000 being traded. So be careful if you get into this stock. If you're trying to play this penny stock, it's extremely stagnant. This is a daily chart, not a minute chart or something. This is a daily chart with massive barcode. Not something that I would probably get into, but if penny stocks are your thing, man, yeah, you could see it run up. Just know that it's on extremely low volume. So I wouldn't go in there and buy $10,000 worth or anything like that. $10 if you want, but just watch out for it. HPCO is what we're going to be watching tomorrow. I do want to know if anybody's jumping into HPCO. I did not get my order in, but shoot, if it starts to run, I really don't know. I wouldn't have a problem trying to jump into HPCO, especially if it opens up close to that $4 mark or whatever. Maybe it was $6. That $6 mark where they were expecting the IPO to start at, because we've seen some massive 10, 20x runners on IPOs and then right back down. So you guys got to be careful. But nonetheless, man, we've seen some massive gains over the last few days here in IPOs. HPCO, I will be watching that tomorrow with the potential of getting in, not at the IPO price, but certainly if it's acting like it wants to go up and it does open somewhere in that range. I'm not going to get in if it opens up at like $60. I'll be congratulating everybody in here that got in at $6 and rode it to $60, but I will not be participating if it's that high. But if you sing, push the mic back. Outdo, bro. I got you, man. I don't want to sing too loud for you. I don't want to sing too loud. Did you see Bed Bath & Beyond today? They did very nicely. How does it look moving on? Yeah, Pringleton, we were looking at that. Somebody said they were buying puts at like $12.80. And I saw it go up to like $14. I don't know where it's at right now. I don't know where it closed at, though. So, closed at $13.30. Okay. Bounced back off this line. This red line is where they said it was a good time to buy puts at. And actually came back down and used this as support. This is interesting. If we're looking at the daily chart, okay, there was some major resistance in this area right here at about, I don't know, 1280 or wherever I got that line at. It did close above that. Now, the crazy thing is, it's got a lot of room to run. If it gets followed through tomorrow, we could absolutely see another run like this. And puts would kind of get screwed in that sense. But if this does hold up as support, as resistance right here, puts would be a decent idea because I do believe you could at least come back down and retest the $9 range. So not a bad idea, but it looks like it does want to break up through this level of resistance here. But that's why we got this line here at like 1280, 1290, whatever it is, 1290, because they were talking about buying puts earlier as it was sitting right here, and then just ripped right through it up to 1488, stayed above it, and then used it as support. So it might be floating above this 1290 level now, and I would watch out for that. I still think it could fall back down through and use this range as a level of resistance, but nonetheless, if it does have confirmation through to the upside, it could absolutely go on another run to at least this area right here, $15-16. I don't know. Is anybody playing Bed Bath & Beyond? Is anybody still in Bed Bath & Beyond? Like, never got out after it ran up to $30? Let's see. Clay Bro, buy and... what? Clay Bro, the buy and trap to an outdo bro to time for Subway. What? What did you say, Sam? It's time for Trapper and outdo bro to go to Subway? Is that like what you said? I don't even know if that's what you said or not. Hello, bros. JB in the house. What's going on, JB? I gotta run. Have a great evening. JB comes in and JB goes out just as fast as he got here. Let's see. Any bad news from the Fed? Days to look forward to. Ooh, interesting. Let's look at the FX Street calendar there. Great advice, Tim. What did Tim say? Never chase an IPO. Yeah, Tim, man. Never chase an IPO if it's already running. I'm certainly not going to jump in if HPCO, opens up at $60 or anything like that. Is anybody in here, like, you guys have orders? I know Keith said he had an order for HPCO. Eric Bissell, he said he's got an order for HPCO out there. I don't know if anybody else has orders for HPCO, but I don't know, man. These IPOs have been doing so well. But you're right. Tim is absolutely right. Let me show you why you don't want to chase an IPO. Let's just look at some of these. So we got HKD, right? IPO did very nicely. You could have actually chased it for several days, but if you got in here, $15.93, somebody, I forget who it was, jumped in at $15.93. They actually got out, made a little bit of money on this day, but now we're sitting down here at $138. Very, very difficult. Turn back around, and I would not doubt that we could go back down and see $12 per share again. JZ was a runner, I believe, on Friday. Yeah, Jay-Z was a runner on Friday. So look at an hourly chart. Jay-Z opened up. This was another IPO. Was up like 2,000% or something ridiculous. Tapped out at $186. And since then has fallen to $7.65. Currently sitting at $8.14 after hours right now. Jay-Z, 2 days of trading, absolutely ripped after running higher. Megal was another recent one. Do I have that up here? This was another recent one. Megal opening up and doing extremely well. Another like $4 or $6 IPO. Ran up to $250 per share. Currently fell back down to $6 per share. So these IPOs, yes. If you guys want to get in, if you want to live life on the edge, however you want to look at it, even if you would have jumped in this IPO here at $50, knowing that it issued at like $5, you were still in on 1,000% gain, and you still would have rode this bad boy up another 5x before it fell back down. But if you would have got in here at $200 chasing it, and now you're sitting at $6, you lost like 99% of your money on that. Be careful if it is running. Those are 3 examples, and HPCO is the next one people are talking about it, so we'll watch that. I believe it's supposed to IPO sometime tomorrow. Let's see. Have I given you the green supporter rule? Me? I don't know who you're talking to. So, Stiggy in the Discord. Tim Slate, Jay-Z. Heck yeah, man. Tim, there were some other people that were playing Jay-Z as well. I think Keith said he got out at like 160 on Jay-Z. Keith said I think I saw on his Twitter account, he said that like all of his crypto losses, he's made back up just in like the last 2 IPOs. So I felt pretty good about that, man. I'm glad to see people making some money in these IPOs, even though they're extremely risky. I'm glad to see people that are able to capture some gains there. Don't become invincible, right? Don't all of a sudden think that every IPO is going to print you a 2,000% gain and you're going to be guaranteed to win. Oh, Starbucks was another one. Yeah, Starbucks is another one. I do want to look at that because that's down today. Actually, that was up 26% today, but still down pretty heavy. STBX, I think is the symbol. Yeah, Starbucks. I think it was a $4 IPO. Ran up to $46 and down to $4.90. And it was up a little bit more earlier today, but closed the day up 21% at $6.44. So these IPOs, guys, they can make a ton of money. The IPO price was like $4 or $5. So don't just think that it was nothing but red since the inception here. It did IPO around $4 or $5. Opened up trading around here at $26. Ran up to $46. You 10x your money. And then started to fall and has been falling ever since. So watch out for them. But nonetheless, man, that you can make money in HPCO is what we got tomorrow. So we're going to keep our eyes on that. Bye. See you later, JB. Enjoy your evening. Good afternoon, all. I went Megal from 50 to 195. Good trade. Excellent trade. Droskray. Excellent trade, man. And even if you would have gotten in at the IPO price, you would have done better, right? But nonetheless, you were chasing it. You found it at 150, and you were still able to ride it up and almost 4x your money. If I was a rich midget, I'd just buy some puts against a spot. Well, you don't actually need that much money to buy some puts, depending on your expiration date and your strike price. So you can still do it, man. You don't need a ton of money just sitting around. Hard part is getting out with all the halts. Tim, that's absolutely true, man, because you can see those IPOs, and literally they trade for 3 minutes, then they're halted for 5. They might trade for 2 minutes, they're halted for 5. They might trade for 3 minutes, they're halted for 5. With that type of volatility, you got to just make a decision and click the button. You can't really be sitting there and saying, it's halted right now. If it opens down a little bit, it's going to bounce back. I'll just let it run. You just got to make your decision, man. And sure, if you get out with a 3x gain, you're going to kick yourself because you could have got out with a 30x gain. But you still 3x your money. So, and here's the thing people forget. there's always going to be more IPOs. You are always going to have another IPO that you can try your luck with there. So don't think that you have to hit every single one of them at a 30x gain to be successful. If you 30% gain, you're killing it, man. Can't wait for you to reach 100,000, my brother. I want to see that YouTube flag in the background, in the back, fam. Owning the float, man. Thank you very much. I don't know where you're at, subscriber-wise, but one day you will be there too. It's been slow, man. It's been slow. Try to tell these guys to call up their moms and sisters and brothers and dads and everybody else and try to get them to subscribe to the channel because we're 4K away from 100. But we will be hitting it. If you guys haven't checked out Mike's channel, man, Owning the Float, check it out for sure. What's up, Clay? Hope all is well, brother. Droman, all is well right now. Watch the ask bid during the... Oh, I'm sure the bid and the ask during the halts is extremely wide. That spread probably gets ridiculous. It may take him a year to hang the plaque. Should the plaque go in here, or should the plaque go down in the living room by the videos there that I do the videos? Because JB's right. It actually could take me a year to hang that plaque, depending on where I put it, of course. JB, yeah. JB is lurking there. This is true, man. We thought that JB was leaving, but nah, JB's still here. Let's see where we're at for videos. He says put it up in the video. So just sit it on that chair. It's so much easier to just set something on that chair. Like that the Pikachu card that I got and that little bro sign right next to the lava lamp. It's very simple to set things on that table or that chair. Drilling a hole in the wall or hanging a 3M strip to put a plaque up. I don't know if I can do it, man. I don't know if I can do it. Very difficult things. JB's driving. Gotcha. We thought JB was gone, man, but JB's just sitting there lurking right now. Took a year to build that desk. It did, man. You guys have no idea. Like, I used that laptop when I was on vacation, and it was nice because, you know, you still need to, like, using a laptop is cool, but the difference, man, between that laptop and this desktop that I've got right here, major difference, man. I don't know how I did that live stream on that laptop for a year like that. I really don't know. I really don't know how I did that. Look, if you guys want to start a live stream, if you guys want to start a YouTube channel, if you guys want to do something, just do it, man. Oh gosh, I gotta sneeze. Just do it, though. Like, I really don't see any problem with the image quality. I actually really like using my phone for the videos and the video here in the live stream. I really don't think the only upgrade I would do there is, you know, get a new phone and then either use this one solely for videos and the live stream, or use the new one if it's got a better camera. But yeah, man, everything's from the phone. And I literally had my laptop sitting on a bar stool with a PS3 on top of a PS3. So do whatever you got to do, man. Where to run yes, Owning the Float. I will make sure to wear the YouTube plaque around my neck. However, I could pull a Logan Paul, man, and just hook this thing up right here. This is sweet. I hope Peak is doing well, and I'll never stop showing this bad boy off. I should get a necklace case for this bad boy right here, for the beautiful PSA 10 holographic Charizard right here that Pika Power so beautifully blessed me with for my birthday. So I don't know, the YouTube plaque would be cool, but I could pull a Logan Paul for sure, man, and wear that bad boy as a necklace right there. DIY and destroy it yourself. Stick beater, facts on that, man. PS3 desktop was the best, dude. The PS3 desk was the best, man. That's a classic right there. Please do the Claybro wiggle again. Gosh, I don't even know what the Claybro wiggle is, man, but it sounds sweet. Towards the end of the halts, the bid ask, it gives you roughly where it opens back up. Gotcha, J-Bones. All right, sweet. That'll help you make your decision a little bit then. But nonetheless, I mean, even if it opens up for 1 minute, it can still halt 1 minute later. So you guys have to be ready if you're playing those IPOs like that. Let's say tomorrow comes around and HPCO is trading. And HPCO, I believe, is a $6 IPO. But let's say it opens up and it's trading at $60. And you're like, no, it's going to go higher. Well, first of all, you 10x your money, man. So put a stop loss on there if you want. Know this, though. If you put a stop loss on at $30, okay, and it opens up from the halt, at $20, it opens up, that stop loss puts a market order out there, and you're going to get filled at $20 per share. So you got to be aware of that if you do plan on using a stop loss, especially if it's a volatile IPO and it halts and it opens up back below your stop loss. You're going to get triggered below your loss. But nonetheless, you're going to have to make a decision, right? If you think it's going to go higher than a 10x, let it ride. If not, dude, just take your gain and move on with your life. You made 10x your money in like 2 minutes. Pringleton, thank you very much for the 13-month member chat. Imagine the number of hot dogs, bananas, and salt shakers. Oh my God. It's probably been a ridiculous amount of hot dogs, bananas, and salt shakers. Like a ridiculous amount. An amount that I am glad my mother has not seen all of them. So, yes, I can't imagine. And it's way too much. Yes, shake it for us. Angel, I'll shake it for you, but I have no idea what the Claybro wiggle is. Later, Tim. Tim, got a roll. I'll be good and safe and happy. See y'all tomorrow, Claybro fam. Tim, enjoy your evening, man. Thank you very much for being in here, and thank you very much for clicking the like button. 16 likes. I'm not even going to hit you guys with an ad, man. 16 likes. I'm not even going to hit you with an ad. You're just making me sad. You guys are bad. The worst I've ever had. Gosh. Guys, click the like button. I'm not even going to hit you with an ad for 16 likes. You guys don't even deserve an ad. Pop those socks off and let them little piggies wiggle. Jonathan, man. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm letting these little piggies wiggle right now. Take some working off in the gym. I'm sure. Something. I don't know exactly what we're talking about right now, but yes. Make it moon when you moon. Use your magical wizard ways. We ready. Liberty Night Gaming. I want to make it moon. If I could make it moon, trust me, I would. What's up, bros? Been really busy this week. Dark Bro 521. The week just got started, man. The week just got started, and Dark Bro is already extremely busy. 17 now. Official Nomad, man. Thank you for clicking that like button. There's 51 of you guys in here, and 17. Ooh, 25 likes. All right, you're making me feel a little bit better about myself. God, bomb. Hold on. I gotta go like this. I really want to sneeze, and I don't want to sneeze in front of you. So I'm gonna take some water and calm down there. I'm gonna tweet your channel every day till you hit 100K. Back. Guys, I don't even know what you're doing right now, but make sure to go follow Mike, man. Go follow Mike right now. Just do it. Go follow Owning the Float. Dude's going to tweet the channel out. I don't know if this is true or not, but we are going to hit 100,000, and we're going to do it before the end of September. I know we will. Hey, do you have an OnlyFans or just YouTube? Dan, just YouTube, man. You want me to make an OnlyFans? Should I make an OnlyFans? AMC expecting a run this week. Jason, let's make it happen. Dan, you gonna subscribe to my OnlyFans for sure? Not a free one, dude. I'm gonna charge you. You gotta get charged to do that. He's not even mad at all of you. He's just disappointed. This is true, man. This is true. RPG Master, waving to you in the Discord. Thank you very much for joining the Discord. Really appreciate that. I got to get back in the lives. My schedule's all messed up. Dark Bro, you do need to get back in the lives, man. Never leave it. It's true. Let's do it. Yes. Owning the Float. Perfect, man. Click that like button. Listen to Outdo Bro and click that like button. You guys, I don't know what you're doing. You gotta click that like button. Thank you very much, Outdo Bro, for the like button. And reminding everybody that there's 25 cool people in here. There's 32 cool people in here. And the remaining... I don't know, guys. I don't even know what to tell you. I'm going to try and be nice to you, but you literally didn't even click the like button. And it's easy. Yes, please, OnlyFans. Come on, come. Where do you guys even come from, man? I don't even know what you're doing right now. Use a stop loss limit on Jay-Z and blew past it in a halt and did not sell, period. Ooh, dang, man. Let's see. So if you use a stop loss limit on Jay-Z and it never, so what happened, dude? Did it never even trigger? You just had to go in there and put your own order, or because it never bounced back up because you used a limit order? So if you're using a normal stop loss, it triggers a market order as soon as it gets below your stop loss there. So if you put a stop loss on at say $50, it triggers a market order at $50, and therefore whatever the next price is, you're going to get filled at. There are different limit orders that you can use. That if it hits your stop, it triggers a limit order at that point. I don't know if that's what you use, but I could see like if you hit that and then it triggered your limit order at $51 and it never went back up to $51, then I could see why you wouldn't trigger your order there or fill your order there. But yeah, that's interesting, man. You guys, you just got to watch out. If you're playing these IPOs, know they're extremely volatile. They're actually good. They're good experience if you want to get used to like Shiba Inu coin or AMC squeezing and one of these coins running and kind of having that adrenaline. If you're playing an IPO, they're probably not going to give you more than a handful of shares if you get in at the IPO price. So you might be playing with $20, $10, $100 if you're buying into these IPOs and you're getting them at the IPO price. So you're really not going to like, make or break yourself if you get in with 2 shares at $6 a piece, and all of a sudden those two shares run up to $150. You got $300 on your $12 investment, so that's still sick, but it'll get you more accustomed to being able to trade some massively volatile investments. Dark Bro, thank you for the super sticker. Dark Bro says, we need a little lick and stick action right there. Dark Bro, man, this one's for you. Working hard. I've got you right now. Tilt the head back a little bit. You take that banana, you lick it, you stick it. Dark Bro, that one is for you, man. Don't work too hard this week. Come on now. Shake it for us. Let's do it. This is Cookie's little brother, by the way. Willie, what? Is this true? Cookie's little brother? No way, Willie. If it's true, I love it, man. Say hello to Cookie for me. Please, dude. Shaking us down for the likes for shit. Yeah, dude. Liberty Night Gaming. You better believe it, because 16 was sad. Come on, Liberty. Liberty, you agree. 16 was sad, dude. I can shame you guys for 16 likes. Come on. I mean, if you were actually doing good and we were sitting here at like 45 likes out of 60 people in here, nah, man, I'm cool. I'm not going to shame you guys for that. But 16 likes, man. No. I'll shame you guys all day for that. Outdoor Bro says, hold up. I got to close my eyes. Wait on the banana. Yes. Willie, 100. Perfect, man. Willie, I don't know if it's true or not, but if it is true, please tell Cookie hello. I miss her, and she's absolutely amazing. Where are we at here in the market? Get a little update going on. We've got AMC, guys, sitting slightly higher after hours right now, 0.53% in the green, $9.51. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1237, really not done anything all day today. Looks like it was moving, but it wasn't. This is 1249 to 1237 right here. It looks like this. If you're actually looking at a chart right here, that's what it really looks like. Extremely flat day, but we're trying to zoom in a little bit and see a little action. Nonetheless, very stagnant. GameStop sitting flat after hours, down about 0.5%, 0.48% lower, 31.40. A Bitcoin sitting at 20,172, up 3.16% on the day. BR Therapeutics up 1.50%. Not really anything going on at all after hours. 2 shares being traded that minute. Very, very low volume. Shiba Inu coin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum all in the green. Sundial down 1% after hours. Mulinado up 2% after hours. Still right around break even. Very nice, Clay, bro. Tomorrow's going to be 70 cents. I'm telling you, I'm going to laugh at Tim when I sell it. CEI sitting at 35.70 cents per share. The SPY break even after hours right now. BBIG sitting at $1.05. Highcroft Mining sitting at 80.70 cents. Netflix 22.24.29 after hours. Clovis sitting up 1.47% after hours. Box 1.75% after hours. Revlon sitting at break even. We've got Terra Luna Classic sitting at 13.214. It is moving a little lower at the moment, but nonetheless still up 5% on the day. QQQ is basically break even after hours. Ape sitting flat after hours at 6.06. A little bit of a MOAS candle, the exact same time that AMC saw a MOAS candle. So that is interesting there, but nonetheless, it doesn't look like it's doing anything. So let's watch Terra Luna Classic right now. See if we can get any gains on Terra Luna Classic. Let's see. Shib is sleeping. Yeah, man, crypto's kind of sleeping right now. Yeah, just saying. Be careful with these IPOs. Facts, dude. J-Bones, man. You got to be careful with the IPOs, with how volatile they are. Be willing to get in. Be willing to get out. Don't be willing to ride it back down. Listen, if it IPOs at $4 and runs to $200, don't buy it at $200. Like, I get it. You might think it's going to $2,000 or something, but just wait for the IPO tomorrow. Wait for the IPO that comes out next week at that point. Don't buy it at $200 if it IPOs at $4. And if you're going to get it at the $4, don't write it back down from $200 back down to $2 either. Just take some money, man, and then we'll hit it again tomorrow. There's going to be another IPO tomorrow. There's always another IPO. How much would you charge for OnlyFans? Haley, I don't know what kind of content you would expect on OnlyFans. So that would depend on the type of content you would expect on OnlyFans there. I want your Thanos snap on Ape. Where do you see it going? And will they open an options chain on Ape? I actually don't know if they're going to open an options chain on Ape, considering it's a preferred share. I don't think it's an impossibility, but I really don't know if they will. Here's the thing, man. Let's see. Does Ape, we're going to ask the Ape Ball, does Ape have massive bullish potential? This is a simple question, meaning that it's going to go up greatly in price. I think that Ape is really going to depend on the overall price of AMC, but let's see what the Ape Ball says. Massive bullish potential on Ape. Well, you guys are going to like this one. There's no doubt about that. You guys are going to like this one for sure. Just a very simple yes. A very, very simple yes. Ape has massive bullish potential. I'm pretty sure that's the very first only yes that I've gotten from the Ape Ball. So, Outdo Bro says, the 8 ball is always incorrect. Now there is no chance that Ape moons. The 8 ball calling massive bullish potential on Ape. FaZe, the next big short squeeze, it's over 100% short. Lutish Fishman. Oh, we got to see this. FaZe Holdings on the NASDAQ. Was this a SPAC? Looks like this might have been a SPAC that went public with 100% short interest right now. Formerly Riley Principal 150 Merger Corp is an operator, a digital native lifestyle and media platform rooted in gaming and youth culture, reimagining traditional entertainment for the next generation. This company delivers a variety of entertainment spanning video blogs, lifestyle and branding content, and gaming highlights, and live streams of highly competitive gaming tournaments. This company offers custom jerseys, 2020 logo gear, ATL FaZe hoodies, shirts, accessories, jerseys, and more. Look, I'm not going to lie, man. I don't really know what this is. But nonetheless, I don't know if they are a $1.23 billion company. That might be why they got some massive short interest out there, is because nobody thinks that this is a $1 billion company. So be careful. if you guys are looking to jump into this here, sometimes the shorts are right. You know what I mean? Sometimes the shorts are right. Let's see if this is really a $1 billion company. Dude, look at this right here, okay? You guys can see this, right? This is the balance sheet for FaZe Holdings. You can see over, I don't know if you actually can see on the right. It might be cut off the screen. The market cap is $1.23 billion, and they have almost $42,000 in the bank. We're gonna have to check out their revenue. They've got, what do they got here? Long-term investments. They've got a lot of investments, bringing their total assets to about 170 million. But I would be very, very skeptical about this right here. A company with $40,000 in the bank being valued at $1.23 billion. They actually don't even make any money. So they have no revenue as of the second quarter of 2022, and they're valued at $1 billion. So I don't know, guys. Just be skeptical of this stock right here. The shorts may be correct on this one. I don't know, and there's no shame in saying that, right? If it's worth $1 billion, it's worth $1 billion. If it's trading at $1 billion worth and it's worth $1 million, you know, clearly you're gonna see a 99.99% decline. I like gambling. Do it then, outdo, bro. Let's see. Hey Clay, I just got started my YouTube channel, The Gambler. Can I get some love? Mostly a gambling channel. The Gambler. Heck yeah, man. Look, The Gambler, I don't know what you do on your channel. Do you gamble in stocks, crypto, literally lottery? What are you gambling on there, man? Nonetheless, if you guys do want to check out the channel, go check out the channel. The Gambler could be very cool, whatever they got going on. I want to see you chew gum till your jaw hurts with your feet in a kiddie pool, bro. Gumball Gump. Listen, if that's the type of OnlyFans content that you want to see, I've got a strong jaw, okay? I've got a strong jaw. So I would be chewing for a very long time. So I might have to put it in a time lapse. But if you want to see me go buy a kiddie pool and sit out there with like a lawn chair chewing gum with my feet in the pool, yes, I could actually start an OnlyFans for you. Do you have an old positive COVID test by chance? I still need one. Texted you, but you were live. Interesting. Like a picture of one or like an actual test? They own a bunch of YouTubers and content creators. Aleman Jolie. Interesting. So that's what FaZe does. Big YouTubers? Or like small YouTubers? That's interesting. I do slots and gambling videos. Hey, The Gambler, very cool, man. I know a lot of people that are interested in that kind of stuff. So if you guys want to check out some slot machines and some other gambles, go check out The Gambler. I love how the market works, where small companies can get boosted up like FaZe there. Remember Rivian, where the biggest car coming in the world at one point? Good times, good times. I was actually looking at Rivian the other day. Yesterday, I think. Rivian was like $175, and now it's at like 15 or something. Down 90%. Okay, so it's at 32. I think it did touch, yeah, so it did touch the teens. But if you go back just to when it IPO'd, man, $179 per share. Ridiculous. The current market cap is still $30 billion. So multiply that by a nearly, 6-7x from where we're at right now. Massively priced company here. And has since come down very heavily. So riding from $175 down to $32. I don't know. Are these guys a $30 billion company? Let's look. What do they got? These guys have... Look, okay, so they could absolutely be a $30 billion company. They got $15 billion in the bank. They got $15 billion in the bank. Where are their $20 billion total assets? Let's see what their liabilities look like. Dude, Rivian's, listen, I can't really argue with their balance sheet here. I can't really argue with Rivian's balance sheet. $20 billion in assets and only $3 billion in total liabilities. That's not bad at all, man. That's not bad at all. And they're bringing in $350 million a quarter right now. That's not bad at all either. Previous quarter, first quarter, $95 million. Revenue in the second quarter, $364 million. That's some nice revenue growth. I'm not upset about Rivian at $32 a share here. I actually think that was a pretty good buy when it dropped down to $20. $30 billion company that's got $15 billion in cash alone and $20 billion in total assets. Yeah, at $30 billion or at 32, these guys, you would have been simply buying at book value when it dropped down to $20 a share. I mean, look, dude, if you're going to buy a company this size at book value, that's not bad at all. Yeah, price to book right now is 1.75. You were buying at book value when it dropped down to that $19, $20 a share. We're starting to see companies at some pretty decent values. Rivian could be one of them. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's 5 o'clock here, man. It's 5 o'clock here. At One and Only Bronson, I actually don't know what was going on with Rivian and having to pay for it back or anything like that. I didn't know you're back in the afternoons. Corey, yeah, we did come back. AMC Trapper saying it's time to go, so it is time to go, right? Clay, can you shout out my kids? Chris Jr., Dylan, Gwendolyn, and Wednesday. That's all 5, man. We got Chris Jr., Dylan, Gwendolyn, and Wednesday. I love it, man. All 5 of them. Heck yeah. Keith, shout out to your kids there. We got Chris Jr., Dylan, Gwendolyn, and Wednesday. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome afternoon right now, and Dad's playing with you and having a good evening. Nonetheless, guys, we're going to take off for now. We'll do the shout-outs for everybody. Get your name in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs. I want to say thank you for everybody who came in, watched, clicked the like button, all that good stuff. We did get over 50 likes, so thank you very much. If you click it on the way out, YouTube absolutely loves it. And guys, that's the only way YouTube recommends these live streams, is if they realize people are actually liking them. So do me a favor, click the like button. You know you have fun in here, and then we will be back tomorrow. So One and Only Bronson, man, shout out to you, Dark Bro, Outdo Bro, Idle Darkness, Keith, man, shout out to you, my bro, me bro, Shayna, see ya later, Sir Tim, Idle Darkness, Shayna, Michael Allen, Nufo, Shiba Inu, Pluto, see you later, Frodo, James R. Berg, Keith Kemp, later, man, Outdo Bro, see you later, me bro, Idle Darkness, Pringleton, Keith Kemp, Corey J, Michael Allen, Keith Kemp, you're awesome, thank you, absolutely, Keith, man, you're awesome, enjoy your afternoon, JB, still creeping, I love it, man, Keith, see you later, Pringleton, enjoy your evening, all of you guys, SD, man, if you're listening right now, oh, I missed it, AMC Trapper said, peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes and the Shiba Army. I have not seen Crypto Rocketeer in a while. Crypto Rocketeer, this one's for you. Boom, baby. If you're in here listening right now, hopefully you're having a good day so far. T-Play, see ya later, 808. Michael Allen, fist bumping, baby. And you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.